Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we are going to see the most frequently asked MCQs on the topic bipolar junction transistor, or it is called BJT. So first question, in a BJT, A, the base region is sandwiched between the emitter and the collector. B, the collector is sandwiched between base and emitter. C, the emitter region is sandwiched between base and collector. Or D, the source region is sandwiched between drain and collector. And the answer is A. Next question. In a BJT, as collector to base voltage increases, the emitter current A remains the same, B increases slightly, C decreases slightly, or depends upon doping of the emitter region. And the answer is remains the same. Next question. The power rating of a BJT is determined by which of the following? A, collector base area, B, base width, C, heat sink, or D, emitter base junction area. And the answer is collector base area. Next question. Transistor is a device which is a transferring voltage device, B, current operated one, C, power operated one, or D, voltage operated one. And the answer is current operated one. Next question. The transistor can transfer A, a signal from low resistance to high resistance, B, a weak signal of only high frequencies through it, C, a weak signal of only lower frequencies through it, or D, a signal from high resistance to low resistance. And the answer is A. Next question. When a transistor is in active region, the resistance is between A, emitter to collector, B, base to collector, C, emitter to base, or D, collector to base. And the answer is base to collector. Next question. The operating points of a transistor is A, V point, B, Q point, VI point, or I point. And the answer is Q point. Next question. When the transistor is in saturation, the collector to emitter voltage A is nearly zero, B depends on reverse saturation current, C is between 0 and supply voltage, or D is nearly supply voltage. And the answer is nearly 0. Next question. A current ratio of IC upon IE is usually less than 1 and is called A, beta, B, omega, C, alpha, or D, theta. And the answer is alpha. Ninth, with the positive probe on an NPN base and ohmmeter reading between the other transistor terminals should be A, open, B, infinite, C, low resistance, or D, high resistance. And the answer is low resistance. Next question. Amplifiers and oscillators using BJT operate in dash region. A, inverted mode, B, active mode, C, cutoff, or D, saturation. And the answer is active region. Next, in a common emitter configuration, and emitter resistance is used for A, stabilization, B, AC signal bypass, C, collector bias, or D. higher gain? And the answer is stabilization. Next question. To operate properly, a transistor's base emitter junction must be forward biased with the reverse bias applied to which junction? A. Collector emitter, B. Base collector, C. Base emitter, or D. Collector to base. And the answer is collector to base. Next question. A transistor has how many doped regions? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3, or D. 4. A transistor has 2 PN junctions and 3 doped regions, that is NPN or PNP. Next question. What is one important thing transistor do? A. Amplify weak signal, B. Rectify line voltage, C. Regulate voltage, or D. Emit light. And the answer is amplify weak signal. Next question. In an NPN transistor, the majority carriers in the base are A. Free electrons, B. Holes, C. Neither, or D. Both. And the answer is holes. Next question. The emitter diode is usually dash. A. Forward biased, B. Reverse biased, C. Non-conducting, or D. Operating in the breakdown region. And the answer is forward biased. Next question. For normal operation of the transistor, the collector diode has to be A. Forward biased, B. Reverse biased, C. Non-conducting, or D. Operating in the breakdown region. And the answer is reverse bias. Next question. The base of an NPN transistor is thin and A. Heavily doped, B. Lightly doped, C. Metallic, or D. Not doped at all. And the answer is base region is thin and lightly doped. Next question. Most of the electrons in the base of an NPN transistor flow A. Out of the base, into the collector, into the emitter, or into the base supply. And the answer is into the collector. Next question. The current gain in the transistor in common emitter is the ratio of A. Collector current to base current, B. Collector current to emitter current, C. Base current to collector current, or D. Emitter current to collector current. And the answer is collector current to base current. Next question. When the free electron recombines with a hole in the base region, the free electron becomes A. Another free electron, B. A valence electron, C. A conduction band electron, or D. A majority carrier. And the answer is valence electron. Next question. A small current with zero base current is caused by the leakage current of the emitter diode, collector diode, base diode, or transistor. And the answer is collector diode. A transistor acts like a diode and A. Voltage source, B. Current source, C. Resistance, or D. Power supply. And the answer is current source. Next question. If the base supply voltage increases, the Q point moves A. Down, B. Up, C. Nowhere, or D. of the load line? And the answer is up. Next question. BJT is a dash. A. Current controlled device. B. Voltage controlled device. C. Power controlled device. Or D. None of the above. And the answer is current controlled device. Next question. Doping concentration is high in A. Emitter region. B. Base region. C. Collector region. Or D. None of the above. And the answer is emitter region. Next question. Beta is the symbol of current gain for common base mode, common collector mode, common emitter mode, or D. None of the above. And the answer is common emitter mode. Next question. Alpha is the symbol of current gain for A. Common base mode, common collector mode, common emitter mode, or none of the above. And the answer is common base mode. Next question. Magnitude of alpha is A. Less than 1, B. Greater than 1, C. Less than 0, or D. None of the above. And the answer is less than 1. Next question. The most commonly used transistor circuit arrangement is A. Common base, common collector, common emitter, and none of the above. And the answer is common emitter. And the last question. The fact that few holes are present in the base region means the base is lightly doped, heavily doped, undoped, or moderately doped. And the answer is lightly doped. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.